Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei Nova Y70, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So, to get started, you want to open up your dialer application, which is this little phone icon right here. Select contacts, tap on this like 4-dot box, or however you want to call it, where you can navigate to settings. And here you'll find import, export option, and import from SIM. This will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. So from here you can quickly select all of them by tapping right here, select all, and obviously you can also select them yourself, or you can deselect them. And from there, once you have everything that you want selected, click on import right over here. And you want to select either phone or whatever the account you're logged into, which should be visible right here. But I'm not logged into anything, so this is the only option, phone. So once you select it, it should import the contacts. And as you can see, there they are. Now they are duplicated, some of them are still on a SIM card and some now are on a phone. So if I were right now to take out the SIM card, basically half of these contacts would just disappear, as you just seen them. So anyway, that is how you can import your contacts, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.